Hey everybody, we're going to do a unboxing today. We got the Walmart.com Beehives in a couple days ago. Actually, I hadn't had time to mess with it. Work's been busy. Weather around here is terrible anyway, so I've just been trying to do what I can do as far as work and everything. Unveiling of this material that they shipped us from Walmart on these beehives here. They seem to be packed pretty good. I mean, got a queen excluder. Directions, just in case anybody don't know what a beehive looks like. Or just in case you need a little assembly guide. All the supers. Looks like I got 1,002 frames I'm going to have to put together. I think it's a total of 80 frames that I'm going to have to put together. This is my shop up front. The back's nasty and cold right now, and I really don't feel like going back there. I figured I'll bring y'all back there when I start putting some of it together. This is going to show us what all came in the box as far as everything we need for a 4-box, 2 broods, 2 supers, top, bottom, inner cover. I think it's supposed to be a solid bottom board. Frames, all the tops, the sides. It smells like this pine or whatever this is in this box here smells really good. All my medium sides reducer. And by the way, all this come in, it was like $179 and some change. I'll get y'all a total later. I don't know exactly what it was. Inner cover, bottom, solid bottom board. Everything looks like it's stapled together good. Yeah, got staples, and I can't tell if it's glued, but it's hard to tell. I'll look it over better once I start putting everything together. All my brood boxes, everything, I don't know if y'all can see or not, but everything looks really good. I don't see any, it's, I think by the time we put them together and get them glued together and painted, I don't see any issues with what we had to work here. Y'all chime in, let me know what y'all think about all this. Like I said, I think it was $369 for 2 sets of these, because I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and build me another inner cover, bottom board, and I got some lids and everything, but I'm going to cut these down to single. These are going to be cut down to single brood boxes is what I run singles most of the time. I'm trying to run all singles from here on out. And they'll make it through the winter as far as singles. Inner cover. The only thing I don't like about this inner cover, from what I see right now, we don't have a big escape, which is no problem. I can take it back here and put it on the saw real quick and run me one out. And it has a lot of space on both sides, which I guess is great for pollen patties or anything like that you want to do. I don't run an inner cover on mine. I got my own that I built myself that I enjoy. A lot of that good air from China. The box did come from China, so it probably got the corona in there. But good metal lid. Looks to be made real well. The lid, solid. Looks good as far as the build of it. I think I'm gonna maybe put me a couple more staples here and there. Just, I mean, once I profileize it all up. Let me see here. Yeah. There's my two broods. Boxes right there. And here's my two supers, along with all the frames. Everything looks like it's in pretty good shape. Construction looks good. A little rough lumber, but I mean, I don't see any issue with it. It's got a rough area right there in it, like they sanded down on it too far. But I honestly don't see any problem with that as far as once I get it all glued and put together. I might just do it up here in the front of the shop. Put me something down. It's nice and warm up here. Then I got my friend, I'm gonna borrow his frame jig set up to be able to put all these frames together. And we'll see how they all go together. They look fine. Everything looks good as far as the way they're built. I'm going to go ahead and keep me a few of these out, and I'm going to make me a pattern off of that. And I should be able to start building on my own anyway, because I can do it, no problem. Dale blade. I have all the tools in the back to run it. And the only thing left in here is a lot of tops and bottoms. And y'all know what all of them go to, so there ain't no sense in explaining on that deal. But tell me what y'all think about it. Like I said, it's hello. Hey. Filming. Okay. Here goes my review. I'm gonna go ahead and try to start putting all these together. See what kind of shape we got for everything. First, as you know, glue every joint. Tight bond 3, which had my little paintbrush. Yeah, y'all gonna get me on that, ain't you? I need to go ahead and go back there and get me one fast. I think I got a little artist brush or something back here. But this is gonna take forever though, I guess. I need to get me an artist brush out in the bowl. I may have to come back to this. All right, we're back. I went and got me a little $1 little cheap throwaway brush. It'll be fine for what we're gonna do here. A little on the ends anyway. It helps keep it from going bad a little bit longer. Like some pretty good tight construction there. Got a phone call from somebody. Really don't know who that was from. This sounded kind of weird. Shop phone in there. I'm not staining, so I don't care if I get it on the outside of the board. I'll be painting them as usual. Like I said, filling in the end of them can't hurt anyway. As far as the grain there, will help seal it, I imagine, as far as keeping water from going in and everything. So. Guess you gotta be rocket science, I guess. That wasn't the right way. Sorry, y'all. I tell you what. Some pretty tight joinery there. I don't know how good y'all can see that actually. But man, that's I don't have anything to say bad about that so far. We're just gonna put together one of them and then we'll go to the next and see what y'all think about is probably just do a little review on it. So far so good. It's a pretty nice product. After we get it all painted up and get everything done to it, I believe we'll have a pretty good little product here. A couple little blemishes here and there, but like I said, what do you expect? I'll tell you what, it's pretty nice stuff there. I have no complaints on that, man. That is a good joint. By the time I get up putting staples, I do my 1.25" crowns on all my. And I can put one right there. And all right, guys. Y'all see anything wrong with that? Got one little chip gone out here, but honestly, I don't see no problem with that. That ain't gonna hurt anything. Little handles on there, nice. One super down. Jump on the next one. I'll get back with y'all. I'll just go ahead and put all these together. I'll get it all stood up and get a picture of it, everything together. You know, since y'all watching this, pretty boring here. But I'll get back with y'all in just a little bit. All right, so here's the finished, put together box. Like I said, I'm gonna cut this down I'm gonna get 2 boxes out of this one anyway. I got some extra lids and stuff, and I'll build me a bottom board. But construction went together really well. I'm going to go ahead and sand the edges and get them cleaned up, get them, I'll probably Bondo them. It's so easy to Bondo, it takes a few minutes to dry, and run my sander right back over and then paint them. Bondo seems to hold up real well, but as y'all see, I still haven't got to this yet.